guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim the pink treasure chest in Heartopia for week 2 of the Call of Whales Fashionwave event. If you go to your mailbox, you'll see like this message from Atara. Whalefall Canyon is part of the underwater world, and when people think of the deep sea treasure always comes to mind. This is a little welcome gift from the marine archaeology team. Let's just claim that. And I think it's in my inventory, and I'm just going to place it outside of my house so it's easy for people to interact with. I'm just going to place them side by side next to the gotcha machine. Okay, so you can also go to your neighbor's house to click on their treasure chest. Well, it's the only way you can open treasure chests. You cannot open your own, and you'll get some rewards like Fashionwave tokens and stuff like that. And yeah, that is how you can claim it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.